And from king to pauper, that could be the story of the mighty Alfonso mango, as the European Union imposed a ban on mango imports from India this week after authorities in Brussels found consignments infested with fruit flies. Although Europe is not a major market for Indian mangoes, any ban typically weighs on prices, hitting farmers' incomes.
Keith Vaz, Indian origin MP in the UK, along with mango retailers and importers at 10 Downing Street, hoping to overturn a ban on imported Alfonso mangoes, which comes into force on Thursday. The decision after fruit flies were found in some consignments. In a statement, the UK government said that the restriction was important to protect their homegrown crops from potential pests and diseases, and that these temporary restrictions affect only a tiny percentage of the successful business they conducted with India. Though industry body FICCI says that the manner in which the ban was imposed leaves open the possibility of more such measures in the days to come. On ground, the move has already hit mango traders hard. Some peg the anticipated losses at over 100 crore rupees. India is the lead exporter of mangoes to the EU, Gulf countries and the US.
किसी का एक दूसरे का गलत कुछ माल गया होगा, इसकी वजह से ये सब हुआ है। वैसे माल यहाँ का कोई खराब नहीं है।
800 रुपया था, आज उसका 500 रुपया है। क्वालिटी महंगा आपको मिल जाएंगे।
A disappointed Commerce Ministry is seeking a review of the ban. It says a new system to ensure quality was set up just a month ago, and what was selected for export was to be stored in a cold storage warehouse to keep pests away. But the new system is taking time to implement on the ground. But the traders' loss has clearly become consumers' gain at home.
400 रुपए डजन में मिल रहा है, यही अभी गए साल 600-700 रुपए था, तो इस साल जरूर लेंगे हम।
ये बहुत सरप्राइजिंग था कि ये लोग दे रहे हैं, मतलब they are not bargaining with us, they are giving in a reasonable rate which we can afford also.
So while the EU ban has left a bitter taste among mango exporters, the consumers this time round seems to be the king. With Yogesh Damle in Mumbai and Neha Khanna in New Delhi, Soumya Menon, NDTV.